I'm thinking no, honey. No.
Why?
I'm thinking no.
It doesn't get. This is like the deepest part right here.
Okay. I'm not gonna say I told you so. When we gotta call the tow truck to haul our asses out of here.
Well, I went through water like this a while back. Remember?
Okay. I wouldn't think this is good on your truck.
The air intake is up, right up under the top of the hood.
Okay. I just see people like this on the news and people all saying, you idiot. There's a reason why those signs are there.
That's when it's like rushing water.
I would say this is a no-go.
We're almost through it. We get, so this is like the low spot we're in right now.
Okay. Whatever you say.
It's getting shallower.
We're in a freaking lake. This is the road. We're driving down the road. I just want it noted for the record, I'm against this.
Almost through
it. Don't you want to at least yell? Wee-dow! Something? There you go.
I'd rather just get on through this.
Look ahead, honey. There's no end in it.
It is. It's right there.
Right there. Where do you see it? Right there.
You don't
We
see
can't
the-
even see the road.
You know, I'm driving straight onto the road. I'm off the road.
I cannot believe this.
Almost through.
I cannot even believe this.
As long as I stay straight, we're good.
Yeah, it's all fun and games till you get swept away.
We're not gonna get swept away. There's no current. It's just standing water.
Okay. Oh my God, there is no...
You don't see the road?
No, I don't see the road. All I see is wet.
You don't see the road up there?
No, I don't.
We're almost at the end of it. Like another 100 yards and we're out.
Anybody see road? No road.
I see right there. I just hope a cop didn't.
No road. The signs clearly said, don't do it. Turn around, go back. I saw it.
Disrupting my concentration.
You should not have to concentrate driving.
I'm trying to get through a giant water puddle. It's not even up to the door yet.
Oh my
It's
God.
like 6 inches.
There could be just a... Okay, now I'm seeing a road. I
Like
cannot
6 inches
believe.
before it hit
This
the door.
doesn't feel good.
What?
Whatever I'm feeling right now. Wow, okay, there's road.
I love it.
I cannot believe we just drove through that. We're not doing that on the way home in the dark.
No, because it's going to be deeper probably.
We're not doing that again.
Oh,
Go ahead, spin your tires, throw up some stuff, get it all out of your system.
You got to dodge these big hay piles.
I swear,
Ooh, I'm going to hit them.
you might be a redneck.
Yeah!
Oh my, you don't even know what's in there. Oh my God.
To grass and crap. That was pretty fun.
Oh my God.
Oh, here's a big puddle. Ready?
Oh God.
Here we go. Here we
Should
go,
I
here we
hold
go.
on? Oh my God, you're gonna
That was weak.
I swear to God, these redneck country boys.
Oh, man. It's the joy of having a truck that's elevated a little bit.
I'm scared to turn my camera off. I might miss something.
Oh, yeah. Check gauges.
Check gauges.
Oh, it's just...
Oh, anybody care to hear? Does anybody else besides me see that the electrical is wow.
You
Okay.
hush. We got more water to go through up here. You hush.
What's this?
Nothing. There's nothing wrong. All the gauges are right. Put it on for a second. Just gonna check out the truck. We'll make sure there's no problems.
And we got to go through more of it.
Yeah, it's just a little bit over there. Make sure there's nothing wrong with the truck. Fine. Nothing wrong with the truck at all.
Crazy. Wow, now we got electrical.
Turn it off. Turn it back on for a second.
It might not start again.
Huh?
It might not start again.
Well, just want to give it a second to kind of settle.